everyone. Welcome to another lesson of Wisdom Waves. Now, as I promised before, today we'll be doing how to make a trigonometry table. Now, this table is predominantly used for CBSE students because rest of the other curriculums are allowed to use the calculator. So, CBSE and ICSE, I'll be teaching you how you can make the trigonometry table without even memorizing the values, so that it's not baffling just right before the exams to understand and to memorize the values. Okay, so follow me now. So first of all, we are making this for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. We make a table like this and segregate as 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Here we write our ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So cosecant, secant and cotangent. Step 1. We write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm writing a little smaller right now so that you're able to fill in the values later. Step 2. Divide all of them by 4. Step 3. You take a square root for all of them. Okay, so I hope it's clear. We write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We divide all of them by 4 and we take the square root. Now let's start calculating it. Now 0 divided by 4 is of course 0. 1 by root 4. Now what is the square root of 1? 1. What is the square root of 4? 2. For this one, we first strike off 2 and 4. So you get 1 by 2. Now what is the square root of 1? 1 square root of 2 we write as it is. For 60 degree, root 3 by 2. Why root 3 by 2? Because the square root of 4 is 2. And this of course is 1 because 4 by 4 is 1 and square root of 1 is 1. So now I got all these values. What is sine 0? 0. Sine 30 degrees half. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And 90 is 1. Now we are done with all the sine values. If you have any doubt in the first step, you have to write in the comments. Because if you're not clear with the first step, you can't move on to the second one. Let's go to the cos one. Now very simple trick. Right becomes left and left becomes right. So my last value is 1. So here my first value becomes 1. This is root 3 by 2. 1 by root 2. Half. And here 0. As simple as it can be, right became left and left became right. Just for later on I am writing over here, how did I get this 0? I got this 0 because it was 0 by 4. Okay, for tan. Now tan is ideally what? Sine divided by cos. Right? Sine upon cos gives you tan. Basically what do we have to do? We have to divide these two rows. What is 0 divided by 1? 0. I am writing here in the bracket. I got this 0 because it's 0 by 1. Half divided by root 3 by 2. So half divided by root 3 by 2. So like we do any other fraction, we strike it off and we get what? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is what? 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by half. Root 3 by 2 divided by half is root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. Strike off. We get tan 60 as root 3. What is 1 divided by 0? Infinity. So I am writing here, why did you get infinity? Because we did 1 divided by 0. So how did you get the tan value, students? You divided these two rows. Now cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. So if sine was 0 by 4, for which you got 0, cosec will be 4 by 0. So what is 4 by 0? It's infinity. Anything divided by 0 is infinity. 1 by 2 reciprocal to 1 by root 2 will be root 2. Root 3 by 2's reciprocal is 2 by root 3. And for 1 it remains 1. Very simple, we just did the reciprocal for sine. For secant, again we do the reciprocal of cos. So 1 reciprocal of this 2 by root 3. Root 2. 2. This was 0 by 4, so it becomes what? 4 by 0, which is again infinity. Cot. Now in other things, tan is sine over cos. So cot is cos over sine. But we don't need to get into that difficult thing. We can just do the reciprocal of tan. This was 0 by 1, so 1 by 0 infinity. Root 3, 1. 1 by root 3 because the reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. And this was infinity, which was 1 by 0. Now it becomes 0. So we have done the table very quickly without memorizing anything. Only one thing you have to memorize. Writing 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And always write why you're getting 0 so that when you reciprocate you understand why is it infinity. DM me if you have any doubts. I'll see you in the next lesson. I'll be starting with identities. And this table you can make it as soon as you get your answer sheets in school. It'll be very helpful for you. Okay, follow, subscribe, comment and share. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye. Take care.